Ready to launch your dream newsletter? Let's carve out your digital home on Beehiiv today. First, head over to Beehiiv.com. You'll be greeted by their homepage, and the very first thing you want to do is click on that prominent "Get Started for Free" button. This is your gateway into building your newsletter empire. Now, you'll see a clean and simple sign-up form. Go ahead and enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong, memorable password. This is crucial for your account's security then. Fill in your first and last name. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered all your details, simply click the Continue button. Beehiiv makes this part quick and painless. The next step is to tell Beehiiv a little about your newsletter's focus. You'll see a few options here. Choose the category that best describes the content you plan to share. This helps Beehiiv understand your niche and offer tailored recommendations. Now for the exciting part, naming your newsletter. Type in the name you've chosen for your publication. This is your brand's identity, so pick something catchy and relevant to your content. Hit Continue when you're happy with it. Beehiiv will then suggest a unique web address for your newsletter. Often based on your chosen name, you can usually customize this if you wish, but the default is often perfectly fine. Click Create Publication to finalize the setup. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully created your Beehiiv account and your publication. This is your dashboard, your command center for everything related to your newsletter. From here, you can start crafting your first post, managing your subscribers, and customizing your newsletter's look and feel. Congratulations, your newsletter journey has officially begun.